Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to Merci No Regase channel. My channel is about living a healthy life. If you want to look beautiful, amazing makeup, feel free to check me out. I use the same name on my IG, on my Facebook. I use the same name. May the good God bless you all. Hello everyone. A big thanks for watching my video. A big thanks for sharing me out to your friends and family. May the good God bless you all. Anywhere you live, it is a beautiful place. You live anywhere. May the good God bless you anywhere you live. Today, I will be opening this my amazing, fantastic product. So let's open it together and see what is inside. How are you enjoying the summer? Happy holiday to you all. Here in Italy, our children, they are already all on holiday. Here is 3 months holiday. They take from June to September. Children here, they are on holiday. Oh my God, it's not really easy, eh? It's not really easy. 3 months holiday. Your children will be at home. I remember those days when we were very small, when we were small. When we are on holiday like this, we go to the farm to help our parents. Nowadays, children want to enjoy staying at home, you know. I have opened it. It comes like this. Children want to watch their film, Netflix, different type of film, you know. There is a big difference between nowadays and years back. Oh my God, generation is changing. We all are changing. May the good God bless our children for us anywhere, any one of us that are watching me are. May the good God bless our children. So these are what I have got. Let's see it one by one. Okay, this is my cream. It's called Contorno. Okay, this cream is very good for if you have black under your eyes. It's very good, very good, you know. It's very good for under eye here, just to make your face beautiful. It will help you to clean many things away from your face. It's very good. Then what is this? Let's see what is here. Let's see. Here, very hot now. We are having a weather that is very hot. I love it. Okay, this one is pancake. Let's see. It's beautiful. Pancake. Then let's see the next one. Okay, this one is for washing machine. Only one like this is enough for us for throughout the month. It's very good. It's amazing product. Very good. Very good. This is my food replacement, my best breakfast. It will help me to have energy throughout the day. It's very good. For someone who wants to reduce weight too, it's very good to replace your meal. Very good. Then the next one Let's see. Let's see what is inside. Okay. This one is earrings. This one is earrings. Let's see it. Wow, it comes like this. Let's remove this and see how it comes like this. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. That is the earrings. Then this one is the necklace. This is the necklace. Wow. This is the necklace. Let's see. It comes like this. It's complete. It's complete with this one. Let's see. It's complete. Very beautiful. These are what I have got this time. You may be interested in any of these things. Feel free to reach me. Feel free to reach me. I do the same name everywhere. On my Facebook is the same name. So I use the same name. Anything you are interested, feel free to reach me. Feel free. If you want to join me too, it's very easy. You will be having 50% discount for your personal use of everything. We are in Europe, so feel free to reach me. Thanks everyone for watching my video. I love you all with the love of God. One love keep us together. Everything is finished.